Hi, my name is Daniel with ViewMedica. In this video, we're going to go over how to create a custom slide in the new ViewMedica slide builder. Whether you are making a slide for VMcast or On-Demand, the process is going to be the same. Here, I'm building a slide for a VMcast loop. Hit the Add Slides button in the top right, and then hit Create Slide. This will take you to all the slide templates. Text and image slides may be familiar, but you'll notice there are a bunch of new options. This means no more going to Photoshop or PowerPoint to create these text and image slides. In this example, I'm going to create a slide to introduce a provider, so I'll select the text and image template. Let's add a title at the top so that I can easily identify the slide. I can change the runtime to dictate how long the slide will remain on the screen. I can drag and drop the image I want to use onto the slide. And I can crop if I need to. To edit the text, all I need to do is click on it and type. I can also edit the text style, size, and alignment here. I can change the text color and background color here. When I'm done, I just hit save and the slide will be added to the loop. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via the chat on our website or by phone at 919-929-2501.